Number 12. For which of the following equations x is equal to 6, the only solution? Let's replace for each x the value of 6 and then check if the equation is consistent. So first for a, 6 times x is equal to 6 to the square is equal to 0. 6 times 6 is 36. And 36 to the square is not equal to 0. So A cannot be the right answer. What about B? So x is equal to 6 minus 6 to the square is equal to 0. 6 minus 6 is 0. 0 to the square is 0. So everything becomes 0. And for this one, yes, 0 is equal to 0. So the question is consistent. The right answer should be B. But let's check the other. For C, we have 6 plus 6 to the square is equal to 0. 6 plus 6 is 12 to the square is equal to 0. No, it cannot be C. And what about D? For D, we can have two solutions here. X equal to positive 6 and x equal to negative 6. So we have two solutions, and we are only looking for only one solution. So D cannot be the right answer. Therefore, the right answer is B, because we only have one solution. Number 13. If f of x is equal to x squared plus 3x plus 1, what is f of x plus 2? So that means that x will be equal to x plus 2. In this function, we have to replace x for x plus 2. F of x plus 2 is equal to x squared is x plus 2 to the square plus 3 times x, and x is equal to x plus 2 plus 1. And if we see the answer choices, this equation is the same as B. So we don't have to do any more operations. The right answer is B. Number 14. What, if any, is a real solution to a square root of 5x plus 1 plus 9 equal to 3? If we want to find a real solution, that means that the radical has to be negative. And it's a square root, so there is no negative square root. So let's say that x is equal to the square root 5x plus 1. Square root of 5x plus 1 plus 9 is equal to 3. That means that x will be 3 minus 9. So finally, x has to be equal to negative 6. And we cannot get a negative square root. So there is no real solution. The right answer is D.